No, basin ako dili ko ninyo. Na, di kaya po makadungo?
Dungog Ramis.
Okay. Tingnan ko klasa akong sapi akong tingog. Hinay kay signal ari.
Tumandak percent, ma'am.
Okay. So let's have the continuation of our discussion last meeting. Okay, we discussed let me see. Okay. So discuss this classification of signals and signals definition. So to the padayon ta sa ato ang signals, but we will be dealing with this signals. Okay? Discrete signals. Okay, so there are four ways of representing a discrete time. Okay? Discrete time signal. Okay, there are four types. For the first one, we have the so-called functional representation. Okay, so if we have x of n, again, x n na siya because that's a discrete. Let's see if it's continuous. Okay, so for example, we have if n is less than or equal to 3, but greater than or equal to 0, it is equal to n. If n is less than or equal to 6, but greater than or equal to 0, okay, then that n squared. Okay? And if n is greater than or equal to 7, example nito sa functional representation, it is equal to 1 and 0 other way. Okay? Inana ang pag represent through a function. But the second one is a graphical representation. Okay? For graphical representation, for example, hmm, alam ka, wala na nahihiwit, di na ako mag-roller. Okay? For example, we have here a line. Okay? Now, if we i-ask is natin siya nga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on and so forth. And also for this one, yes. So if we look at our functional representation, ningon man siya kung sin is less than or equal to 3, but greater than or equal to 0, equal to n. If we have n equal to 1, okay, ba? So as if na diha si 1, okay? So naatay signal here, okay? And less than or equal to 3 man, so hangtod ni 3, okay? Now, that's the signal for the first term of our function. Now, for the middle, okay, naan naman siya nga kung equal to 4, but greater than equal to 6. Basically, 4 to 6. Kung nabilong siya ana ang representation, it is equal to n squared. Okay? Yan, ingon. For example, we have, ako sa ninambiran, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay? So, for example, ingon siya equal to n squared. So, if we have n equal to um 4, that's 16, right? 4 squared is 16. So, ato na as discussed nga, dili is 16 kunuhay. Okay? So, this is, sorry. As is nga, may 16. And 4 to 6 man ko no. So, basically, 5 squared, 25 times 3, dili.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ang istorya ni
Yes.
Ma'am
Ha? Oh my God. Sige, sige, wait, wait. Okay, hopefully okay na na siya. Okay, so let's continue. Kung may tag n is equal to 5, and then it is greater than 4 but less than 6, so it is n squared. So, for example, as is na to nga diri si 25, hindi naman masud. So, this is this part here. Okay? Muna siya diha. Basta mo na siya. Okay? And then, mayroon tag 6. Okay? So, for example, this is 36. Okay? Diha, this is 36. Okay? Now, that's 36. Okay? We have 1, 1, 1. We have 16. We have 25 and 36. Okay? Now, if we have n greater than or equal to 7, 1 siya. Okay? So, greater than, ay, dili na siya 1. 2 ni siya. 1, 2, 3. Sayop ni. Then, this one is 3. Because it is equal to n. Sorry, class. Okay? Mo 1 ra siya kung it is equal to 7. And so on and so forth. Okay, other there. And for this one, this is 0 otherwise. Okay? 0, -1, -2, -3. Okay, so that's the graphical representation. Now the third one is the tabular representation. Okay. For tabular representation, if we have, pwede ba ito maka-insert of table there? Okay, so if we have that table, oops, okay, sila ka ba masod? Okay, so if we have, -2 lang ang last or -3. Sige, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and butang ta 7 og 8 diha. Okay, okay, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Okay, ningon man siya diri at n is equal to 0 to 3. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, at n is equal to 4 to 6. So this is m squared 16, 25, 36. However, if it is greater than or equal to 7, then that's 1, and so on and so forth. And 0 otherwise. Okay, that's the graphic, the tabular representation. Last representation is the sequence representation. Okay, so x of n is equal to, okay, so that we have 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 16. This is 16. 16, di na 46 sa 16. 25, 36, 1, 1, 1, and so on and so forth. Now, that's the sequence representation. Okay? At 0, here. Kung sa minis arrow means asa siya nag 0 at f of x. Okay? At x equals 0, then diha sa ni 0 sa iyang y. Okay? Napuli. Makuha. Another class. I mean, ang arrow, hindi ko naglibog. Ang arrow is where at x equals 0. Okay? Dili day mo, kung asa mo 0 si y. Sorry. Akong i-clarify here. Kasi maglibog ta sa discussion. Okay. Next, we have here the, we're done with 4 ways. Basta naman. Okay. So next we have some elementary, discrete time signal. Okay. So we have the first one, which is the unit sample, okay, sequence. Okay. For the unit sample sequence, okay, ang unit sample sequence class is just like this. Yan ang nag-green naman. So for example, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -1, -2, -3, -4. So at 0, naa siya something value here, which is, this is in terms of delta n, and this is our n. Okay? Now, miss, mura siya impulse, no. Okay? So, ako sa ihatag ang function, n equal to 0, otherwise. Because for this part class, the unit sample sequence is iya yung gi-as-is niya. Kung n equal to 0, 1 ra na siya. Okay? Now, for the impulse class, impulse is a continuous type of signal, basically or generally. Okay? So for impulse, ari ra gyud siya nga part. Okay? Ari ra siya part here. Ari ra gyud na siya part. Pwede siya mo pataas og value. But at y equal, at x rather, at x equal to 0. So pwede siya pataas. Okay? If we have an area here to here, okay, that's still an impulse. Okay? If we have an area here to here, until magkagamay na siya class, hangtod nga mulay na lang na siya diha. Mura na siya agad to ang unit sample. But continuous iyang value. For this one, for our unit sample, n equal to 0, then 1 na siya. Okay? Wala lain. Next, we have the unit step sequence. Again, we're dealing with discrete time. So for unit step sequence, if we have view of n equal to the function n greater than or equal to 0 is equal to 1, 0 otherwise. Okay? Now, if you draw it or you graph it, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Na naman siya, if n is equal or greater than or equal to 0, then that is 1. So, as is that nga, there is 1. Ito yung red. So, this is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, otherwise, this is 0. Okay? Muna siya sa unit step. The third one is the unit ramp. Okay? Sequence. For the unit ramp sequence, okay? So if we have u of n with respect to our ramp, it is equal to, if we have n greater than or equal 0, it is equal to n and 0 otherwise. Okay, as we graph it, so if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, kung n is equal to 0, that is equal to n. Sorry na siya diri. If n is greater than 0, so basically all those positive numbers, so it is just equal to its mirrored y. 1. Okay, bahalag din na straight. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. O, 1 na nasunod noon. Eh, ako Osbon ang ihang y. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano. Okay? Muna siya ang ramp unit, ramp sequence. Okay? Hopefully, nagpapalura sa ato ang elementary sum. Okay? Sum lang. Sum, elementary discrete time signals. Muna kasagaran yung ginagamit ka. Okay? Now, next, we have classification of signals. Okay? Classification of DT signals. Or signals lang, generally. Okay? I already gave you this, right? But let's try to discuss some details. Okay? Sa classification class, di ba, naaman tayo continuous time. Okay? And the other one is for the discrete time. Right? Now, under continuous time, we have periodic and non-periodic or aperiodic. Right? Remember pa mo? Now, if we are talking about periodic class, periodic continuous time signal, we are talking about average power. Average power nila. We're talking with average power. Okay? So, we all know class, right? In a basic, okay, we have an average value of V of t is denoted as average value of our V of t. Okay? Which is equal to 1 over t integral of 0 to t v of t dt. Right? Now, if we recall the formula for our power is equals to IV or V squared R, I squared, V squared over R. Ang sa gito lang formula kas I squared over R. I squared over R? Nalimot ako sa formula. Ito yung mga formula lain. Kadungog pa muna ako.
Yes, miss.
Oh, okay. V squared over R, I squared R, and PIV ara di ay. Si V di ako nalimitan. Okay? I squared R, I squared R. Okay? And IV. Okay? Now, if we recall that formula, so we can say class na si P in terms of T, okay, is equal to the absolute value of our V of T squared. Anong V of T na lang, miss? Because we atong gi-as is nga si R at equal to 1. Okay? So, mahitabo nga si P of T is with respect to time is just absolute value of our average power. Okay? Or it is equal to I of T squared. Okay? Kay 1 man si R. Now, we also have instantaneous power, instantaneous P of T. Oh, this is an instantaneous power. The normalized power. With respect to T. Pero kung normalized power lang siya class nga, physics, right? This one. But with respect to time kani, right? This is our instantaneous power. Now to cover average power, P of T. Okay? So this is equal to the 1 over T, 0 to T. Kaya nga naman ito kay si V of T, okay, with respect to power, kani. Thus, we are dealing with average power. So, ato saksak diri is absolute V of T squared. Okay? Miss, power ano ka about this? Again, power is just equal to the absolute value of our V of T squared. Ngano? Kaya itong gi-as si R na equal to 1. Now, if given this condition, if and only if P is less than infinity but greater than 0, then kung makuha na siya nga condition class, then our V of T is a power signal. Okay? And for the non-periodic, okay? The non-periodic class, ari na ko ibutang diri ha. Okay? For non-periodic, we are dealing with energy. Okay? Energy. Okay? Now, energy has a formula of power times time. That's joule. Watson. One. Watt second. Watson. So, muna siya ang atong energy. Now, if we differentiate it, may tabo na. dE is equal to P T dt. Right? If we take the integral, that's E equal to integral of negative infinity to infinity. What's our PT again? We have V of T squared. D of T. Now, using this formula class, if and only if our E is less than infinity but greater than 0, then V of T is an energy. Okay. Now, if we go through our dt, okay, alin na ako i-solve si dt ko. So, for dt, okay, lagi upon tayo periodic of non-periodic. Okay? So, for periodic class, nara tayo formula nga okay, P is equal to, for periodic power yapon siya, for non-periodic or aperiodic energy. For periodic discrete time signal, we have limit of 1 over 2n plus 1 as n approaches to infinity multiplied with the summation of the absolute value of our xn nga squared from n equal to negative n to positive n. Okay? Now, if we have an example here, kung naatay periodic nga equation, okay, we all know that if xn is equal to x of n plus n, then we can say that this function or sequence or signal is a periodic signal. Okay? So, kanisa nga n plus, okay, is the smallest integer value nga makasatisfy sa atong equation. Okay? Again, smallest integer value. Okay? That will satisfy our condition. So, for example, we have here, okay, okay, so for example, we have here negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, choo, 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 choo. Okay? And at x at negative 2, this is 2, 1, 2, 1. Ano na lang, 2, 1, 2, 1 lang. So, dali ta maglista. Para makita na to. Magamayon lang. 7 lang to ko to. Dili kay daghan. Okay. Now, using that sequence class, okay, that's a sequence representation, diba? So, using that sequence at n, okay, at x is equals to 0, tanaw ni mo, at x is equals to 0, kani, this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, kani 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Now, at x is equal to 0, looking at here, at x is equal to 0, what our y? That's 2, right? Blue there. That's 2. X is equal to 1, that is, tanaw diri. Makita ninyo akong pen nga magsuri-suroy or not?
Kita ra,
Kita
miss.
ra ma'am.
Kita, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So, at x is equal to 1, tanaw ta diri, ang iyang y is 1. When x is equal to 2, tanaw ta diri, ang ihang y is 2. When x is equal to 3, okay, it is equal to 1. Okay, muna sa iyang pattern, di na kumulahot. Okay, maram na sila. Right? Now, if we say that n, ang point n is equal to 4, okay, mangiti man tag smallest value that can satisfy, di ba? N plus n. Dapat si x of n plus n must be equal to x n. Right? Equal siya sa atong sequence nga gihatay, data sequence nga gihatay. Now, let's do this. Yan naman sa si n is n plus n madako. So, if we have 0, 0 ba, di ba? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, plus n. N is equals to 4. So, lato lang natin 1 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2, 3 na. 3, 3, 3 plus. Okay? Okay, tanaw ta. 0 plus 4 is 4. Right? Natanaw ta diri that x is equals to 4. What the y? That's 2. At x is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. At x is equals to 5, that's 1. At x is equals to 6, that's 2. And at x is equals to 7, that's 1. Which is very much the same with our x of n makani. Right? Now, pagamihan na to. Ingon tag, for example, nag-answer na tag ko ni 3. Okay, hapon si 3. So, pagamihan ta, n is equals to 2. So, x 0 plus 2, x 1 plus 2, x 2 plus 2, x 3 plus 2 equals to. Now, at x is equals to 2, okay? Ito man siya, 2, right? At x is equals to 3 because that's 1 plus 2, that's 1. At x is equals to 4, that's 2. X is equals to 5, that's 1. Which is same gapon sa tato ang x of n. Now, let's try n is equal to 1. Kaya itong aim, mangita ta sa smallest integer value nga makapa-satisfy sa iyang condition para ma-periodic siya. Okay? At n is equals to 4 is still periodic. At n is equals to 2 still periodic. But ang n nga gipangita sa condition here is the smallest. So let's try x 0 plus 1, x 1 plus 1, x 2 plus 1, x 3 plus 1. Okay? At 0 is equal to 1, this is 1. At 0 is equals to 2, then that is 2. At 0 is equals to 3, that is 1. Right? At 0 is equal to 4, that is 2. Now, if we look at n equal to 1, dili na siya pareha sa atong xn. So, kaning x1 is not applicable. It will not satisfy. So, the smallest integer value that can satisfy our equation is this one. So, therefore, n is equal to 2. Okay, mayon ko, solve the smallest integer value that can satisfy the equation x plus n using the sequence. Okay? Or muhatag ba ko function representation nga inyong himo sequence para makaingon ani mo. So basically, n equal to 2 is our smallest integer value. Okay? Hello, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Do not satisfy. Okay? That's may topic na ko dali. Okay. So next class we have the next. So we already discussed periodic, non-periodic, energy, power energy, di ba? Na-insert na siya. And for the non-periodic class, okay? For non-periodic, okay, that's energy. Dari na lang ito ibutang. So energy is equal to summation, okay, of our x n squared given n negative infinity to infinity. Okay, mura na siya pag-solve sa atong non-periodic signal, energy. Okay, mura na siya class. Now, next, we have next classification, next type of classification, which is the, ano lang, the even symmetric. O, itong pa na ha. And odd symmetric. Okay. So for even symmetric class, okay, if we have n x of n equal to x negative n. Muna siya for our even symmetry. For our odd symmetry, if we have x of negative n, it must be equal to the negative of xn. Okay? So, for example, natay graph class. May anong nanis? Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Kiningon man siya si xn. Okay? Must be equal to x of negative n. So, atong buhaton class is ato siyang i-mirror. Okay? At the negative side. So, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, muna siya class. Now, the x of negative n is just must be equal to the negative of over xn. So, kung naatay kani nga graph class, negative, this is the x negative n, right? Kani. Now, ang negative xn is you just need to flip the negative part. Okay? Para makuha na to ang iyang graphical representation. Okay? Ako na lang kopyahon. Sorry. So at negative 1, you just need to flip it. And negative 2, negative 3. Okay? So, muna siya iyang graphical representation. Next, we have this condition. X of n equal to x e for even, of n, plus x sub o for odd of n. Okay? Suppose we have n is equal to negative n. Okay? Let n, x of negative n, must be equal to x of x e negative n plus, sorry, this becomes negative. Hmm. Okay? Now for add plus, igawas ba siya, right? Igawas na natin. Sorry. Okay. So if we make this as our equation 1, and this is our equation 2, okay? So if we add 1 and 2, so we have kani class, di lang ako i-rewrite balik ha. So we have xn plus x of negative n. Okay? So the x of n, xen plus xen, okay? Do not mind first the negative here. Okay? Representation lang na siya. So, mahitabo ani 2xe n, right? And xo minus xo, okay, that's 0. So, mawala ra na siya. Okay? And if we get the xe of n, okay, you just need to divide the whole equation by 2, or you multiply the whole equation by 1/2 para makuha na to si xen. So this is 1/2 of x of n plus x of negative n. Okay, that's how you solve for the xe of n. Okay, for the even. Now, if we subtract it, 2 from 1, hmm, okay, so kung ato siyang i-minus class, kani x of n minus x of negative n, isulat na nato siya. Okay, it is equal to the xen minus xen at 0. So xon minus xon, so naatay 2 x sub o of n. And then you multiply the whole equation by 1/2 para makuha na to si x sub o of n. So this is 1/2 x of n minus x of negative n. Okay, that's for the add. So if we have an example class na okay, for example, we have x of n equal to a set of sequence which is so 0, 1. Oh, na din ni siya. Pastel na. Na ni siya graph. Dili sequence.